Hello everyone, today I will show you how to see which app you use the most on your iPhone. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you want to go to settings and then go to battery and then scroll down until you find this category where it shows what app take the most amount of time. So as you can see, Maps is the app that I use the most since I need to travel and then go around every day, which is why I use a lot of this. The Instagram is my second most used app since this is where all of my communication is on. And this is how you will be able to see which app consume the most for your battery. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.